Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can reverse audio in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Filmora application. And for example guys, I'm going to reverse this audio. Before I reverse my audio, I'm going to show you the original one. So I'm going to play it. Wait, I'm going to play the audio.
Hello guys, welcome back to this channel.
Okay, this is for the original audio guys, and I'm going to reverse it. If we want to reverse, we can click on the audio until the audio is active, and then we can go to the speed menu right here. And in this menu, we just need to activate the reverse speed feature. Just click on this toggle button to activate it. Okay, and now my audio has been reversed, and I'm going to check it. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to reverse audio in Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!